Hello guys, it's Cooking with Solenn again. It's been a while. I feel like I've been off the net for the longest time, but actually not. Today we'll be doing something different, fried chicken, because believe it or not, I haven't made fried chicken at home. So I will experiment this today with you guys. So I found this new product on the market. This is liquid seasoning. So it makes everything more flavorful and more rich. Let's try it out today together and see how it works with our fried chicken. So for now, we have chicken, which I cleaned, obviously, and patted dry with tissue. And we are going to make our mixture, which is 2 eggs that we're going to crack in here. And 1 cup of milk, whole milk. So to this, we are going to add some pepper. I guess depending on your taste, pinch of salt, and some garlic powder. That seems about good. I think you can add more garlic powder if you like garlic. I will get my chicken and I'm going to add a tablespoon of the chicken liquid seasoning. And we're just gonna massage it so it penetrates. Okay, when that's done, what we're going to do is put the chicken in a bag. I have stashers, but I ran out of them because they're all in the freezer, so I'm going to use plastic, yes. But I reuse my plastic bags all the time and I dispose of it properly. And para hindi sayang what's left here, I'm going to add the milk mixture to get the flavors from the bowl. We're gonna pour it with the chicken and we're just going to let the chicken marinate there for 5 to 10 minutes. While this is being done, let's prepare our side salad, which is like a coleslaw. All we'll need is red cabbage, carrot, ginger, garlic, and then of course when you do Asian salads you always have sesame oil, mirin, which is rice wine vinegar, and soy sauce. It's that simple. So let's chop this. Okay. We have our carrot, which I peeled already, and we're just gonna grate it. Okay. 1/2 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. And then we are going to grate some ginger in there. Oof, I don't know, I love ginger, so I'll put a lot, but maybe a teaspoon. And then a clove of garlic. It has to be finely chopped. Boom. You can add a teaspoon of brown sugar, but not my thing. So this is an Asian coleslaw, and then later we're gonna top it off with some black sesame. So I think the chicken's been marinating for a good amount of time, so now we are going to take it out. There. Again, guys, just reuse your plastic bags or consume less or use other alternatives. This is 1 cup of flour. I'm going to add a bit of salt also, the chicken, and kind of throw it into the flour, but maybe evenly married. Just lay them down. Looks right. Shake, 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 shake. So while that settles, we are going to head over to the stove and heat our canola oil. So I put 2 cups of canola oil. And now I guess we wait till it gets gold. That looks good though. Feeling ko pag brown yung both sides, no? I feel like I'm lacking some crispiness. So we're gonna put our coleslaw. Sesame. So this is our chicken with Asian coleslaw, and the fried chicken was marinated with our chicken liquid seasoning. I'm excited to try it. As you can see, the color is actually more orange than regular chicken, and I think it's also thanks to our liquid seasoning. Let's try it. Here it is. So juicy. So again, guys, reminder, Solenn Heussaff here. If you like my videos, then I'm happy that you like it. If you don't, then you don't. I'm not gonna force you, but I do hope you like it. And if you do, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Just everything fun and under the sun, nothing too serious, but lots of reality.